Hello my amazing family, how are we doing? Welcome back to yet another video. Today we'll be making together yam porridge. Yummy, delicious, simple and easy. Sit back, relax and let's cook together. So our first key ingredient is yam. 1 tuber of yam which I peeled off the camera, cut into small cubes, washed thoroughly, and then I have it in a bowl ready for us to cook. I'll be introducing the other ingredients as we put them into the pot. So here I have a pot already on fire, hot, ready. I'm combining 2 oil, sunflower oil and palm oil. And then I'm not bleaching the palm oil, just for it to be hot. Then I added our chopped onions. I fried the onions for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm now adding spices to it. The spices I'm adding at this point is garlic powder, ginger powder and also curry. That's what I'm adding. And then I'm going to be adding pepper which I already blended. The pepper consists of tomatoes, paprika, you can use tatashe if you have tatashe, and scotch bonnet pepper. I blended and boiled, reduced it. Now I've added it into the pot and we're just going to fry for 5 minutes. I'll be introducing other ingredients as well. I added now crayfish. The crayfish is optional. If you do not like the smell of crayfish, you can take it out. So there is cow skin which I boiled and cut into very small bites. This is actually optional. I can do without it too. Now our seasoning cubes goes in. Stock water. This is just a very quick recipe. Now I added also plain water, salt, time for us to add the peeled yams. So for my yam porridge I do not add too much of water because it's not like we are cooking pepper soup yam. We are cooking yam porridge, so the water is just on the same level with the yam. And then I have smoked fish which I washed and deboned. And then we are just going to cover now and allow it cook because everything is inside. When it comes to a boil, we'll come back and test to see if our seasoning is right. Here we are back now to check the taste to find out if it's right. It is cooking beautifully well, but we need to find out if our seasoning is right at this point. So that is me testing, and I discovered that we needed more salt, which I am adding to it as well. So time for us to cover and allow it cook well. So now we are back to the pot. This is looking very good. The yam is very soft. At this point you can take out a few and match it and turn it back into the pot, or you can as well match a few of them to give you enough pottage in the pot. But if you cook your yam very soft, trust me, you don't even need to match. You don't need to match any of the yams to give you that solid or thick texture like you can see in the video. That's how I achieved mine. I just make sure I cook my yam very soft. But if you don't want to see the yams like you can see in the pot there, you can break it down totally with your wooden spoon. So at this point the yam porridge is ready. Yam porridge is ready, served with sauteed green. Do not forget to drop me your comments, click on the like button and subscribe and be a part of the family if you are not already. See you in my next video. Bye bye.